everybody. This is Bradley here. It's Monday, May 23rd, 2022. Current time's now 10 o'clock. We got a Van Wert County siren test this morning. They should be going off in any second. Yep, every Monday morning we usually have a siren test here in Van Wert. Temperature is now 54 degrees under mostly cloudy skies. Look, there they go. Well, everybody, hope you're really enjoying our Van Wert, Ohio the Van Wert, Ohio Civil Defense Emergency Siren Test here in Van Wert, Ohio. Since we usually take our test every Monday morning at 10 a.m., except if there's a holiday or weather permitting, or inclement weather, including thunderstorms, rain, or any day for potential for severe weather. We do this every Monday morning at 10 a.m. Every Monday morning at 10 a.m. Like I said, everybody, tornado sirens are really important to us. They can warn us in case if we have an actual emergency, just in case that anything might threaten to our city, to our state, and our country. Yeah. Civil defense emergency sirens are really important to us. So, hope you're really enjoying your siren test for wherever you're at here in the United States and the world. Just remember, sirens are really important to us in case if we have actual emergencies. Yep. Tornado sirens can warn us in case if we have any possible of a tornado or something like any civil emergency warnings or any flash floodings or hurricanes or anything like that. That can warn us in case if there's anything coming our way. Well, everybody, hope you're really enjoying our siren test, and I'll see if I can get more soon. Hope you all subscribe to my channel. Give it a like, give it a comment, what you think about the sirens. All right, all those railroad and weather spotters, you all stay safe. All right, thank you. All right, bye.